Begin by researching the product you want to purchase. Look for reviews, specifications, and comparisons online to understand its features and performance. Determine your budget and stick to it. This helps prevent overspending and ensures you're getting value for your money. Keep an eye out for discounts, promotions, or special offers that can help you secure the best deal. Compare prices from different sellers or stores to ensure you're getting the most competitive price. Consider visiting wholesalers or online marketplaces for better deals. Before making a purchase, inspect the product's quality, durability, and warranty. Read product descriptions and customer reviews to gauge its reliability. Resist the urge to make impulse purchases. Take your time to evaluate whether the product fulfills your needs and fits within your budget. Explore secondhand or thrift stores for cost-effective options. You might find gently used items at a fraction of the cost of new ones. Seek recommendations from friends, family, or online communities for trusted brands or sellers. Their experiences can help you make informed decisions. By following these steps, you can purchase products wisely, ensuring you get the best value for your money while meeting your needs effectively.